good morning, children. I welcome you for the science class. Today, the date is 28/10/2020 and day is Wednesday. Okay, we are going to discuss lesson 3 useful plants. Okay, last class also we have discussed lesson 3 useful plants. Same lesson with the new topics we are continuing today. Okay, in the lesson 3, the topic is uses of plants in a different fields. Last time we have seen uses of plant in terms of food. Okay, food from the plant we have discussed. Today we will discuss about different fields, how the plants are useful in different fields. Let us see, children. Medicine from the plants gives us medicines. Okay, this example: tulsi, neem tree, eucalyptus, and garlic plant. Okay, few plants are shown. See, when you are when you are small kid, your mama used to give a tulsi when you are having cough, right? Then neem is very good. Neem having a very good antibiotic agent. Okay, neem is very good antibiotic agent. Okay, then it is very much helpful in a skill for skin diseases. Okay, and it will improves our immune power also. Neem, okay, it will improves our immune power also. Neems are useful in some ointments, ayurvedic ointments and all. Garlic for gastritis and all, we will use a this one garlic. Okay. These are the few available plants which are helpful in providing medicines for us. Okay, children. Next, wood from the plant. We all know we have a furniture at our home, right? We all having a furnitures at our home. How they made of? They made of wood. Wood we got from the trees. Correct, children? We'll get the wood from the trees. Wood of shisham, walnut, teak trees, okay, are used for making furnitures. I said these furnitures are made by the wood, and this wood will get from these trees. And building houses. Okay, while building houses, you need to uh, have this windows, doors, and all. These are made up of wood. Even the house also can make by the wood. Then oils from the plant. We get oils from the seeds of a plant. How we will get the oil? We will get the oil from the seeds of the plants, such as mustard, groundnut, sunflower, and coconut. Okay, we all are using a groundnut, sunflower, and coconut for cooking. No, children. This is all we got from the seeds of other seeds of the plants. Okay, oils are used for cooking as well as making some soaps. Okay, here it is not visible. It's also used for making soaps, oils. Okay, children. Next, fibers from the plants. We'll get many fibers, and it will be useful for manufacturing fabrics. Okay, ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳು. We get cotton fibers from the cotton plants. This is used for making cotton cloths. We are using no everyday cotton cloths. These are made up of cotton plant. Okay, cotton. We'll get the cotton from the cotton plant. And jute bags and jute rope. Okay, this and all will get from the jute plant. Okay, these jute bags nowadays we are using a lot. This jute oftenly you are frequently we are using the jute box. This one bags. Okay, these are made up of jute plants. Then cotton shirt also they are shown. It is from the cotton plant. Okay, we used a cotton from the cotton plant. So this one plants are used in fabrics also. Now, perfumes from the plant. We all use a perfume, no, children? Okay. Then I said in the last class itself, flowers will be having a very good odor. Okay. So this odor, since it has a very good odor, we will use the flowers as to manufacture to provide this one jazz perfume. Some flowers I will tell you: rose, jasmine, and champa, used for manufacturing perfumes. Okay, champa, rose, jasmine. Will see the odor no while purchasing the perfume. Which flavor, which odor it is? Jasmine, rose. Okay, this and all the some few odors, few flowers used for manufacturing perfumes. Okay, children. Next, fodder from the plant. Some plants like a grass, corn, and millet or fodder for the animals. This grass or the this grass and this corn, this are by this the animals get a food. So these plants are called fodder plant. Okay, this will help in feeding and animals. Okay, children. Grass, corn we have seen. Next, other uses of plants. We get rubber from the rubber tree. Okay, what you are using? Eraser. Okay, that is made of rubber tree. Then gum from the bubble tree or acacia. Gum, how they are collecting the gum, children? See, they are keeping a bowl like on the stem. Okay, this gum in this will produce in a winter season. It will collect in a bowl. They'll take, then they'll process, and they'll make it as a gum. Then this one, paper from the bamboo tree. We will manufacture the paper from the bamboo tree. And dead and dry plants are used as a manure. All the types, but see all this, all this type, the plants are very very useful to us. See, dead and dry plants are manure. Okay, gobara. Okay, these are used as a manure for the plants in a farms. Okay, children. So the plants are very much useful to us. Next, one more thing is very very important in a nowadays. Plants make the air pure. This is very much important and very much needed also. Okay, we must grow more and more plants to keep the air pure. Nowadays we have a lot of pollution in our cities. Okay, how to reduce that? We should plant more, this one, we should grow more plants so that we can keep our air pure. Will you do it, children? Please plant, okay, one or two this one see plants at least a year. Okay, children. Thank you. Here is the end of this lesson. Next week, next class, we will see the next other one. Thank you, ma. Bye.